Want to build a stronger body at home using just 7 minutes a day with no equipment and a workout that's actually beginner friendly? Then this video is exactly what you're looking for. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you a complete full body home workout designed especially for beginners. Simple exercises, no equipment, just a system you can start today. But here's what most workout videos never tell you: exercise alone isn't enough. I'll also show you a simple diet plan that can help you build your body even faster, along with one recovery habit that most beginners completely ignore. So watch this video till the end, because that's where everything comes together. Forget complicated workout plans. Forget expensive supplements. Forget spending hours in the gym. Today, I'm going to give you a simple 3-step system that anyone can follow to build a stronger body from home. Let's begin. Workout. Before building strength, prepare your body first. Start with a light walk for 30 seconds. Walk around your room, walk in place, or simply keep your body moving. This isn't about burning calories. It's about waking your muscles up. Spend another 30 seconds doing light stretches. Stretch your shoulders, stretch your arms, stretch your legs. Loosen your entire body. A proper warm-up improves your movement and helps reduce the risk of injury. Now your body is ready. Let's start the workout. Push-ups. Start by doing 10 to 15 push-ups. If regular push-ups feel difficult, start with knee push-ups. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Everyone starts somewhere. Push-ups train your chest, your shoulders, your triceps, and your core, but they also train something much more important: discipline. Complete your repetitions. Then take a 45-second rest. Remember, don't chase perfection, chase consistency. Now let's strengthen your core. Plank. Get into a plank position and hold it for 1 minute. Keep your body straight. Don't let your hips drop. Breathe slowly. As the seconds pass, your body will tell you to stop. Your mind will start making excuses. Ignore that voice. This is where mental strength is built. Every extra second you hold, you're proving to yourself that you're stronger than your excuses. Finish the full minute. Then take a 45-second rest. Now let's target your lower abs. Leg raises. Lie on your back and perform leg raises for 1 minute. Raise your legs slowly. Lower them slowly. Don't rush. Control every repetition. This exercise builds lower abdominal strength, improves core stability, and develops better control over your body. Remember this: fast results don't come from moving fast. They come from doing every repetition correctly. Finish the full minute. Then take a 30-second rest. Now we're going to increase the intensity. Mountain climbers. Get into position. Now drive your knees forward one after another. Keep moving. Keep breathing. This exercise trains your entire body, your shoulders, your chest, your core, your legs, and your endurance. Here's something interesting. Most people quit right before their body starts changing. Don't be one of them. Finish the full minute. Then take a 30-second rest. There's just one final exercise left: squats. Now perform 5 squats for 2 sets. Keep your chest up. Keep your back straight. Lower yourself with control. Then stand. Back up. Squats build strong legs, strong glutes, and a stronger foundation for your entire body, because every strong body is built from the ground up. Congratulations, you've completed the workout. But here's something most beginners don't realize. Out of everything required to build a great body, your workout is only 25%. 50% is your diet. So let's talk about a simple diet plan that can help you build your body even faster. Let's keep it simple. After your workout, make your morning meal count. Have sprouts. If sprouts don't suit your digestion, have some whole steamed green moong or steamed black gram instead. Then wait for 30 minutes and have oats, banana, and peanuts. You can eat them together. Cut sugar. Reduce oily foods as much as you can, and completely stop eating junk food. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need complicated meal plans. Simple home food for the rest of the day. Eating consistently always beats a perfect diet you can't follow. Remember, your body is built by what you consistently eat, not by what you occasionally eat. Now you've trained your body and you've given it the right fuel. The remaining 25% is your rest and recovery. Most beginners think muscle grows during a workout. That's not true. Your workout creates the challenge. Your food provides the fuel, but your muscles actually recover, repair, and grow while you rest. That's why sleep isn't optional. It's part of your training. Aim for consistent, quality sleep every night. If you train hard, eat well, but ignore your recovery, your results will always be slower. Train, eat, recover, repeat. That's the formula that builds a stronger body. 1 year from now, you'll either be grateful that you started today, or you'll wish you had. Building a stronger body isn't about finding a secret workout. It isn't about buying expensive supplements. And it definitely isn't about waiting for motivation. It's about showing up even on the days you don't feel like it. Because every workout you complete, every healthy meal you choose, and every good night's sleep is another step toward becoming the person you want to be. But here's the truth. None of this works without discipline. If you want to become the kind of person who never skips workouts, stays consistent, and actually follows through on their goals, watch the video on your screen now, how to actually become disciplined. Because building a stronger body always starts with building a stronger mind. I'll see you there. Bye.